Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. It's Bilal Khalid. Guys, if you have Epson 1455 printer and I just print the nozzle test page using the dashboard of printer, here is one cyan color is not printing and black is also missing. So we need to do print head cleaning process. There are two methods for cleaning print head. One method is using this dashboard, but there is no option in the dashboard for power cleaning. Okay, power cleaning clean the print head like same like ink charge from print tank to the print heads. Okay, so I recommend you to do ink flush process, power cleaning process using your computer. If you have installed the driver with your laptop, simply you have to right click on the printer icon. This is your printer icon, right click on it and go printing preferences. Okay, first of all, then second click on maintenance. You can check nozzle check from here also, nozzle check first option, but I will do power ink flushing process. Power ink flushing, click on it and then press OK and then press start. The process has been started and the light started flashing, also power light. So I think this process will take around 5 to 7 minutes. And also the message on the screen appears in Arabic language that printing cleaning head cleaning process started. So we have to wait until finish it, then we will check back again the nozzle test page and we'll let you know. Okay guys, power ink flushing process has been completed. Now we will print, press finish, we will print nozzle check again and to make sure that is there happened something different or same. Okay, it's printed now and you can see the difference. This was the before cleaning, power cleaning process. Black was also missing some lines and cyan was not printing at all, and now cyan is printing also and black is better than before. So method was clear that I mentioned earlier, power ink flushing process. You have to do power ink flushing process to fix the print quality. Regarding this is L1455 printer. If you have any other question regarding this printer, you can ask down in the comments. Thank you for watching. All the best.